Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Smaug from The Hobbit. Really amazing design. I'm going to do just his head, but yeah, let's get started, okay? Really cool dragon. Really cool dragon design. So we're just going to do the side view for Smaug. So right now we're going to go into the front here of the face. Very front of the tip. I'm going to curve underneath here for the front of the top of the mouth here. They're basically where the crack of his mouth is. One more. And it's going to pull back. Going to go over here to the top, and I'm going to find the top of his snout here. Down, or basically now we're going to find the crack of his nose there. And the inside of his nose here. Pull over here for kind of the top of the mouth area, the top of the, it's kind of a center between his eye. I think like the snout, you can call it. Up over here in the back. Let's pull down into the eye area. And we're going to find his curved eye over here like this. Curved eye over here. Pulling a kind of the bag under his eye. He's going to have spikes on the top of the brow. So right here, like one brow, another brow, another brow. Let's draw a pupil. It kind of has this like slit pupil going on. Pull underneath. Curve underneath here. Pulling back. Spike. Back over here. Another spike. Back over here. Back over here. Back over here. Spike. All right. Before anything else, don't forget hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I post one drawing every single day, every single weekday. It's going to be related to horror or bad guys or something monstrous through the year. Go down over here, finding the sharp teeth. Pulling up here. For like that other sharp side. And then I'm going to pull back for these horns he has. He has these really cool prongs. They almost don't look like horns. They almost look like more osteoderms. And he has a few more that come out here on the way down. That's cool about it. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a line over here for the neck. He has a long neck. So we're just doing the face on this one. Line over here. And this is one of those characters I talked about where a lot of it is going to be based on the structure, the detail. So if we do like a line over here, we throw spikes along the neck. A lot of this stuff isn't structural anymore. A lot of this stuff's going to be detail related. So right here, I'm going to throw curved line underneath the nostril. Find a line over here in between kind of the eye and the snout area. A lot of this stuff's going to be a little bit more subjective now. Oh, I forgot about this. This is a zygomatic arch. I think on a dragon or a lizard, you call it a jugo bone, I think. Or I think that's what you call it. And now I'm going to throw little curves everywhere to simulate scales. And that's kind of what we're doing now. We're not throwing them like, we're peppering them everywhere, but we're not, it doesn't have to be for sure everywhere. Maybe throw a little bit more under the bags and the eyes here. But the rest of it's going to be this peppering right here. Peppering of detail pretty much all over him. It's just this peppering thing, and it's going to overall look like scales because we're looking at, you know, a dragon pretty much. Keep going over here. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about drawing in general, I have a course on how to draw dragons. Like how to draw any type of dragon you want, like how you can create your own. And that's over on my Skillshare. I'm going to have the announcement about this after this video. But go think about checking that out. There's a whole lot going on there. But yeah, if you can, go check that out. I mean, of course, the link's in the description. It's the very first link. And that's it. That is Smaug. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. You're amazing. You're awesome. You're the reason I do this. I'm going to keep this channel alive through the year, and it's been really fun to do so far. So, all right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.